National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Sedgwick County. At 10:30 p.m. for East at 6:59 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Maize, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Andover, Park City, Valley Center, Aire, Goddard, Rose Hill, Maize, Colwich, downtown Wichita, Kechi, Eastborough, West Wichita, East Wichita, Eisenhower National Airport, Northeast Wichita, Mcconnell Air Force Base, South Wichita, and Oaklawn. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 35 between mile markers 41 and 54.